Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today we are making a picture frame. This is a two-piece picture frame. We're going to have a little bit of fun with it. This particular thing is a scratch-off map that we're going to have with my kids so that they can scratch off all the states that they have been to. So let's actually dive into making this frame. It should be a little fun. Love these girls. Almost. Just soaks it up too. Ta-da! That's pretty darn close. That is within tolerances. Hot snot! I'll take that any day of the week. Did you eat them? So you guys were born in Wisconsin. You were born right about here. So we can scratch off the Wisconsin. Well, find it.
Michigan. Is that Michigan? Hey.
Look, Rockford. That's where we live.
Wow.
Okay, guys. Ready to hang this on the wall? Ready, guys? Here, let's hang it up. There you go. You like it? Yep. So now where do you want to go next? Want to go up here to Minnesota?
Yes.
So there you have it, a two-piece picture frame that was really kind of fun. And I love the way that this came out with the alder and what they call mahogany. It's really not, it's something else. I would love to know what it is. It's as soft as balsa, but it looks like mahogany, so it's kind of nice. But this has been a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to scratching off these with my kids and having fun taking them to all 50 states if possible. Now, if you want to see more about my thoughts and what I was thinking as we went through this whole frame build and all the steps along the way, I have that on my second channel where I actually talk through it and talk a little bit more of the how-to. That's Wood by Wright 2, and I'll leave a link to that down below and up in the cards. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit like, comment, subscribe. That really does help out the channel. That's about it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. I've been framed! Wait, I should have thought of doing this before I put the picture in.